Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build Lego Disney Mini Jasmine and Rapunzel. So if I build these two princesses, it's gonna be all finished. I'm going to finish the castle, the mini castle. Okay, so we have two guidebooks and two bags of Lego. So first we're going to build Rapunzel. So of course she's wearing a pretty purple dress, and also the top and the dress color is a little bit different, and this is Rapunzel, and surprisingly, Rapunzel and Elsa, they have the same hairstyle. I think Rapunzel's hair should be much longer, but it's actually the same. Rapunzel's right eye sort of looks as if it's kind of weird, like misprinting, but it's actually supposed to be like that. And so of course she's holding a frying pan. So this is Rapunzel, and now we're going to make Jasmine. So Jasmine is the only one who's not wearing like a dress. She's sort of like wearing pants, right? So this one, Jasmine is wearing pants, which is very nice. Okay, so let's see. Jasmine has a very pretty hairstyle. It looks very nice. Okay, so of course she has dark hair, but I love her blue hairband. Looks so nice. This one is really cute too. Like the back of her hair is really nice too. And of course she's holding like a magic lamp. Yeah, so we've made two dolls, and time to put them in their places. So awesome. Okay, so we're going to put them in the second floor next to Tiana. Look at all these 6 princesses. They all look so amazing. I think I like Belle the best, or maybe Tiana, but they all look amazing. Look, they look so cute, right? These things, they're kind of similar to briquettes, but a little bit different. So I think it's gonna be amazing if they make also like Lego Friends characters into like these sort of things. It looks so cute, and I love their face print. Okay, so this is the end of the video for today, and see you next time. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.